How to fix black screen on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily fix your Snapchat black screen on your mobile. So if you're also facing such issue on your Snapchat, so there might be the issue or problem regarding the update of your application itself. So to fix that, you need to head over to your Play Store first. So once you head over to your Play Store, you can just click on this search bar and just search in for Snapchat application itself. So as you can see, there has been an update available. So the problem might be causing because of the box itself available on your application because of non-updating. So you just need to tap on this update button and it will automatically fix any issue regarding the application not working correctly, such as your black screen itself. So once you update the application successfully, once you reopen the application, your issue should be fixed successfully. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.